Hi guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you an awesome tool that I use to track my DeFi portfolio. And it's nothing other than Apeboard. Apeboard is a cross-chain DeFi dashboard similar to Zerion and Zappa, where you can monitor your portfolio balances or others across DeFi protocols. Now, right here you have a sleek interface where you could track your various portfolios on Ethereum, BSC, Terra, Solana, Polygon, Binance, Ronin, Avax, Phantom, Arbitrum, Cosmos. I mean, so many protocols that are trending. You could monitor in one view right here. So all you need to do is visit apebar.finance, all right? And then paste your address right here. I'm just going to paste the dummy address right here. You could see everything, every activity you've ever done and that using that your address, right? You can see your net worth and anything to be claimed if you have any of such. If you're staking on any DeFi protocols, like PancakeSwap and the rest of them, you're going to see your portfolio right there. So like I said, this is a dummy account. I didn't have anything relatively substantial in here. So you can see the portfolio. Here you have the portfolio and the history, all of them. If you want to select a single protocol right here, you could just change the protocol. For example, BSC or Terra or Solana, you could, filter it right here, or you could just use the all to check the entire portfolio if you have anything across there. Right here, you can see the portfolio exposure right here, a bunch of just a couple of tokens right here, and BNB has like 99% of the portfolio right here. Now here, the asset allocation is just in wallet. These orders here represent other DeFi protocols, for example, PancakeSwap, Bitville Finance, and the rest of them on other protocols as well, not just the BSC. So anything, anywhere you have your token stake is going to appear right here on the asset allocations. Here you have the net worth, the total rewards, the total assets, and the total debt right here. Then if we scroll down a bit, you're going to see the chain allocation. Here you can see, you click on view all. Here I have 100% chain allocation for BSC for this particular wallet that I'm using for this video. You see the Terra ecosystem, the Ethereum, Solana, and the others. All right, you could just take a look at so many ecosystems right here that you could check out. Then your wallet. Now, this is what you could possibly have in your wallet for various assets and protocols right here. It's going to show you everything, literally everything you need to see concerning your wallet and its activity. Now, if you scroll up a bit here where you have the history, it shows you the number counts of the history, transaction counts of everything, the gas fee you've spent on that wallet, all right? So shows you transaction counts, the history, every single thing you've done, everything, protocols you've interacted with. It shows you literally everything you need to know about your wallet. So guys, Apeboard is an awesome tool. I don't know what tools you've been using, and there are other tools that you could use actually. For example, for like Solana and Phantom, there are other tools you could use for individual protocols. But I mean, Apeboard does it all literally, so you don't have to go about looking for single protocols, right? So guys, let me know. You're going to start using Apeboard today. If you find this valuable, if you're stumbling on our videos for the first time, hit the subscribe button and hit like on this video, guys. Hit like on this video so YouTube will help spread the content. And remember to turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever we post any relevant content like this, guys. Cheers. See you in the next video.